Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's find the display. Now let's scroll down a little, and as you can see here, we've got the screen timeout, so simply enter. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Right now we've got 10 minutes applied, and in order to change it, all you have to do is simply tap on the time you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 2 minutes. Let me tap on it, and as you can see right now, this option is marked. And after getting back, we can see that it is notified right here that from now on, after 2 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.